Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install app on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on App Store. Now here click on search. You will type the app you will install. Click on app. You will see a different apps you will install, any one. So for example, I install Subway Surfer. So click on get, click on install. You will see a loading of Subway Surfer game. So that's how you can install app on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.